Hey mama, happy Friday. So I actually just got off of work and it's Friday, so I still want to, you know, go out and have the day to myself the rest of the day. So I'm gonna go and get my nails done. Not my hands, but I am gonna get some like press-ons to put on there because like they're coming apart. So we're gonna go and get nail stuff for that, and I'm gonna try to do a little hack. I want to use press-ons, but then cure it with the gel in a gel lamp. So we're gonna try that, see if it works, so we can last longer, so that my nails underneath can grow out, because they're cute on their own. Like, I don't really get nails. That's why I'm getting press-ons. It's not, you know, not too much, not too much, and also less damage. But we are gonna get our hairs done because it's time. It is time. So we're going shopping today, along with doing a little spa stuff. My lashes and my brows are still intact, so she's looking cute from our last little, you know, girls' time. So I'm happy about that. Shouldn't be too much work today. But yeah, I'm about to take a shower, and we're gonna refresh this hair because look at it. Okay, actually, she's looking pretty cute. Actually, again, that's just showing out. Okay, but look at that. Yeah, we're gonna refresh the hair, give it a little zhuzh, and then yeah, we'll be on our way to the mall. So that's just the idea, girlfriend. So I'm gonna get ready. You get ready with me so that we can head out. Cool? All right, girl, let's go. Let's go. So again, let's see how that comes out this time. Okay? I'm being a little optimistic here. Okay, I wasn't gonna do any makeup. I started off with just putting lip gloss and then a little concealer, but now, because I put concealer in other spots, I added some BB cream because my concealer is a little bit warmer than my skin color, and I wanted it to blend in. So yeah, just super light, and not even around my whole face, so hopefully it doesn't look bad. This is the vibe we're going with. Very cute, very casual. I forgot that I started my little girl time for the week. So yeah, I want something super comfortable and like not tight on the waistband, cause but yeah, this is how I'm gonna go, and just gotta wait to see my hair dries. As you can see, it's already dark out. But yeah, I think I'm ready to go and slam. I'm just kidding. Yeah, let's go to the mall. Okay, last fit check. We got the LA tee, the puffer, the sweatpants, Crocs to make it easier for when I get my nails done, you know, to not ruin them, and then the boba bag, yes. And she was thrifted, so yeah. All right, girlies, I think we're ready to go officially this time. Okay, so right now the mall is very underwhelming. But sometimes I like to go into the toy section and see what's new, see what's giving, and also to see like how much brown dolls they have. You know? Yes, girl. Because growing up, I didn't see a lot of dolls that look like me. And now there's a plethora, and I love that for the girls. And also like trying to see if maybe there's something I want. I don't know. I got the steering wheel cover, so Okay, so that was so underwhelming. I wasn't able to get my toes done because they were booked for the night, which is understandable. So I made an appointment for tomorrow. Yeah, so I guess I'll be back. And the only thing I got out of the entire store, or the entire mall, was a steering wheel. So I'm just gonna put her on. A little before moment, very basic. So sad news, it doesn't fit. I'm just gonna go get some food. I'm back and I've got food. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay, the mall was not, it wasn't giving what it needed to give. All I bought from there was a steering wheel cover and it didn't fit. I think I can make it fit. I don't know. We'll give it another try, but anyways, so after I went to the mall, I went to the little farmer's market that they had right there. And okay, first and foremost, support your local vendors, support small businesses. That's exactly what I did for the exact price I would have paid to get my toes done. Because again, they're too busy to take me, which is completely fine because I came up. Ooh, and they're big. I got 2 jumbo chicken tamales with salsa verde. I'll just taste test right now because I want to get into it, girl. Oh, you're only going to hear from me. Let's see. Wow. Yep. I bought 2 all-natural juices. This one is strawberry lychee. And this one is watermelon guava. Because you know I love me some guava. And the brand for this is Juice and Merch. I asked them as soon as they walked up if they had any food coloring in it because I'm allergic to red dye. All natural, baby. No food colorings for what? It's just juice. It's just juice. And guess what? Guess what? Yes, baby, she is black owned. So yeah, give them a follow, give them a like, send them some love. What's in the bag? So I actually went to this market last week and I saw all of these different vendors, right? And I happened to just be walking through because my boyfriend and I were had dinner reservations. So we didn't stop. We stopped at not all the booths, but like most of the booths, and we talked to people and saw what we saw. I'm like, okay, mental note for next time because this is every Friday. And so I came back and I got what I wanted, right? So one of the things was this artisanal craft booth, and she hand makes all these super cute like knitted hats, scarves, some sweaters, and also like plushies, beanies, and bucket hats. And so I got yes, I got the cow bucket hat. Look how freaking cute. Like, this is so original, so unique. No one will have it like me. And honestly, like, this might have to be my new identity. I don't know. What do you think? Because to me, she's giving selfie. I'm so happy with this purchase. And it honestly did not even cost that much. 35 bucks. 35 bucks. Like, I love it. Yes. And that brand was Guatealma. Her name is Alma, and she's from Guatemala. So yes, another POC brand we love, and you should definitely check her out as well. She does take requests. If there's something you want, she can hook it up. Yes, so I'm very happy with all of this. I'm gonna go grub now, and what am I gonna watch? What am I gonna watch? I'm gonna enjoy this, and yeah, I'm probably gonna call it a night from there. So I will see you tomorrow. What adventure are we gonna do? I don't know. Okay, I'll see you. Okay. Oh, the food.
And it made me realize that I don't give myself enough credit. I very regularly.
Hello again. Okay, so I finished my nails and they are giving baby. Oh, they're so cute. And I was gonna do like a green kind of tip on them, but I like how they are just like this, like very natural, very classy, very snatched. I like it. So now what I'm doing is I am gluing pieces of wood together. I want to make like an organized like dividing system in my tea drawer because I have so much tea. I love tea. I'm not a coffee girl. Right now, let me just show you how messy she is, okay? Okay, now I have to go down this very dark hallway. Hold on. Don't be scared. Hold on. I got you. This is my tea drawer. Those boxes are right here, but as you can see, I still have more stuff. This is my big ass box of green tea, and okay, you see more boxes back there. I never even know what's in here because of this. So I'm doing this on the floor because I don't feel like sitting in the bed. Okay, let's go. So my camera ran out of space, but I want to show you the new tea drawer. I have way more than I thought I had. Just take a look. Like, wow. Green tea, also green tea. Assortments of different teas. Digestion, calm stomach, stress, menstrual, when I'm feeling sick, for my throat, sleepy time, face detox or skin detox. This one, it just hits. It's just a good vibe. And then these are the ones that I was talking about that have the cute little containers, but they're all flavored. But yeah, girl, who's coming over for the tea party? Out for the